Hi there, this is Gary Ryan Blair with a powerful reminder that it's non-negotiable. You will leave a legacy. You will leave a distinct mark, a unique fingerprint that's representative of your life's existence. Therefore, the question is not whether you'll leave a legacy or a mark, but rather, what legacy and what mark will you leave? So your legacy comprises of both means and ends. So is winning really winning when you're ashamed of how victory came? The means by which you move through your life provide the working platform that supports your goals. Style, courtesy, honesty, integrity, excellence, and respect. These are the qualities that make for an inspiring legacy. These are the behaviors deserving of an exclamation mark. See, the three ends of punctuation? Well, they tell the reader that a sentence has reached its final destination. And a sentence can only end three ways, with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. And the same exact principle applies to your daily behaviors as well as your legacy. So your final destination will have a time and date stamp that can only end with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. A period at the end of a sentence does not garner much attention, nor does it stand out in any unique way. And a period at the end of your life sends the exact same message. It means there's not much on the highlight reel, nothing of real significance. For the most part, your life will be largely irrelevant and certainly no reason for anyone to model and pay attention to. In the words of Oliver Wendell Holmes, most people will go to their graves with their music still inside them. That's the embodiment of ending your life with a period. A question mark at the end of a sentence calls for, in fact, it demands deeper interrogation of a point or topic. And I assure you that the last thing you want to do is to have your life, your reputation, and your legacy consumed with question marks. What were you so afraid of? Why were you always late, unprepared, and uncooperative? Why did you favor making excuses and blaming others, rather than taking responsibility for your life? Why did you settle for mediocrity when you were capable of greatness? Why did you spend your life in a dead-end job instead of pursuing your passion? Why on earth did you not make your health a priority? See, the greatest form of betrayal is self-betrayal. When we lie to ourselves, when we live without character, when we live without courage and conviction, well, that means we settle for less. We lower our expectations and we sell ourselves short. We undermine our strength, we discredit our own reputation, and we place a stain on our legacy that no amount of bleach could ever remove. So do not, under any circumstances, put yourself in a defensive position where someone can question your character, your integrity, your professionalism, your intentions, loyalties, and your work ethic. So that leaves us with one choice, the exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is a mark of distinction, something of importance, something that's highly relevant, and something that is deserving of your time and attention. And your life is your message to the world, so make it inspiring, make it big, make it fun, and by all means, make it count by making everything count. And if you want to make your mark on the world, then you need to use the exclamation mark as your guide, as you'll never be a day of your life that does not provide you with numerous opportunities to showcase your greatness, to unleash your passion, to lift someone's spirits, to demonstrate gratitude, and to advance your mission. So choose to live out loud by placing an exclamation mark at the end of everything you think, say, and do, as everything can be done in the spirit of excellence, and I mean everything. See, we will all leave behind a digital fingerprint, our own unique identifier, one that's either inspiring and something to live up to, or one that's disappointing that brings shame and which will be hard for others to live down. We will all continue in some way to participate in the lives of others when we're gone. So just what will that participation be? What inspiring example or unique mark have you made? Or what stain are you leaving behind? Now be mindful, you get to decide what legacy you're going to leave behind. You get to write, direct, and star in your own movie. You get to choose what distinct and unique mark you're going to make on this world. Now you only live once, but once is enough if you do it right. Therefore, live your life with class, with dignity and style, so that an exclamation, rather than a question mark, signifies it. And I created the 100-day challenge to show you how to live a life of excellence, how to live a life with an ongoing stream of exclamation marks. So check it out at 100daychallenge.com. Make it the very next thing you do.